people tweeting in a room. Almost see 4 people where they tweet. And so as we go on today, the thing is that it's not about Mr. Peter Obi. It's not about saying I voted for him, I went home. It's about saying that I, as a Nigerian, you as a Nigerian, that when you vote, your vote must be counted. And your vote must be entered. And nobody born of a woman, whether institution, INEC or wherever, will make a difference with that. We thwart your vote. I'm not here to pander words. People are dying because elections are stolen. And so, while we read this book, we must understand that anybody will say one riga election, we died here.
Lives are tied to you. Hopes are tied to you. We are dependent on you. Before the 2015 election, we had already concluded that we are between the devil and the deep blue sea. We said, okay, worst case scenario, we just go to PDP, even if we know it's just as useless as ever. Apologies to the coalition team. But it is what it is. And from nowhere, God remembered Nigeria and brought you our way. 2027, we are going to do it again. And I'm not saying it from a place of favoritism. I'm saying it from a place of certainty. It's going to happen. I said it in one of my posts that 2027, we are going to the polling units with one hand carrying voters' card and another hand carrying what we use to defend voters' card. Nigeria will be free. Whether the devil likes it or not, whoever that devil is. Someone told me something and I believe that TINUBU's election is the easiest election. It's going to be the easiest election in the history of Nigeria. So the whole decamping is a mind game to break the Nigerian people. So we feel we've lost that. I know we have not. I'm saying this to everybody seated here, that 2027, decide in your heart of hearts that Peter Obi is winning your states. And those states belongs to Peter Obi. I say it without flinching. And those states, whatever they are promising at those states, please go and collect it because we are giving it to Peter. You know? So, this is me standing on behalf of trenches, on behalf of the children that wrote JAMB in the middle of the night, WIKE in the middle of the night, on behalf of the people who have experienced flooding in Mokwa community, Niger State, that the president is yet to visit. But the moment Peter gets there now, they will all stand up. I'm happy that you are their motivation. For 2027, you will be their president. Thank you so much, and God bless.